Hey, good morning. Well, look at that. If you're listening to the sound of my voice, then you're blessed. Another day in front of us. Another day. It's a day that we can embrace the fullness of life, the gift of air in our lungs, a beating heart, and a fresh, new slate. We get to begin again. This is your movie. You are the star, and you are shining. You are glowing. Today, you get to live it out. You get to open and expand your heart a little more. Lean into love a little more. Let go a little more. Focus on what you can control just a little more. And find and express gratitude for this journey. Gratitude for everything in your life. Give gratitude every chance you can. We get another chance to respond with maybe a little bit more kindness. We get another shot today. Another shot to be a little more patient. Today, act as if there's a film crew capturing your every move. Okay, let's just make the bathroom and maybe the bedroom private. Copy that. But all in all, every interaction, every action, and every reaction is being filmed to make this epic documentary about your life. And it's a beautiful story. It's a beautiful story about how righteously you carried yourself, how enthusiastically you pursued your passion, how you acted in spite of any fears or doubts, how you believed in yourself, how you lit up every room that you walked in, and how much confidence you had, and how much fun you were, and that smile of yours. It's enough to make anyone melt. Embracing this current reality with so much enthusiasm, courage, and of course, always kindness. Your kindness is so appreciated. Taking that extra moment today to really look someone in the eyes and listen and be receptive to what they're saying. Practice compassion. Practice compassion to yourself, kindness to yourself. Tell yourself how proud you are of yourself. I know I'm proud of you. Did you know that the more that we give, the more we receive? It's also so good to be generous, to be in service, to help others, to look for the good in every situation and choose the high road. Because you're so fun and you're also so lighthearted. You make others feel at ease. You take deep breaths when you need them. Easy day. Easy day. You go with the flow. You lift others up. You radiate on a different level. And this is because you know that the universe is working in your favor. You know you're on the right path. You know that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. And you also know that these moments are fleeting. You get to be here. You get to exercise. You get to move your body. You get to dance to that song you love. You get to work out. You get to take care of yourself. You also get to practice forgiveness, letting things go, surrendering, throwing in the towel, knowing it's not worth arguing. Your peace of mind is worth everything. Be the bigger person today. Because that camera is following you and it captures everything. It sees when you give thanks for the food you eat, when you give thanks for the people around you, for your loved ones, when you take that little extra moment to pause and be present with those you love. Today, you handle situations incredibly well. Anything that comes up, you see as an opportunity. You see the lesson. Because today's all we're guaranteed, so you're not gonna sweat the small stuff. You're gonna let it go. You're going to be here and now. Don't take things personally because you know that everyone's on their own journey and we're all acting in our own realities, our own perceptions. We're living out our own stories, so we cannot take anyone else's projection personally because that's what they're going through. Let them be and focus on yourself. Always come back to yourself, focusing on yourself because you're on a mission. You are here to succeed. You are here to live out your dreams. You are living out your vision now, and you're walking into huge opportunities. You are so blessed. You're gonna feel good today. You're gonna choose to feel good. When you look for the good, more good comes. When you are grateful, the universe gives you more to be grateful for. So I'm gonna ask you one more time. Are you ready for the cameras to start rolling? You know what the best outfit is for today? Confidence. Put on your confidence cap, get a smile on that kisser, and go show this day what you are made of. And action.